Hello and welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we are going to discuss the system calls. After completing this video, you will be able to explain system calls, elaborate the various system calls. To perform an operation, the user needs to get a request for a service from the system. Before any request, the user will make a special call which is also known as the system call. A system call is a process in which a computer program asks for a service from the kernel of the operating system on which the execution takes place. This comprises of hardware, creation, carrying out of new processes and interacting with integral kernel services such as process scheduling. System calls for process management. A running program must be capable of stopping the execution either in a normal way or in an abnormal way. When the execution of a program ends abnormally, one can take the memory dump and examine it using a debugger. For example, exit within brackets to terminate the process or execution. System calls for file management. Some system calls include the processes like create, delete, read, write, reposition or choose a file. There are also requirements to fix the file attributes, that is, get and set file attribute. For example, for Windows, create file, open and close brackets, creates a file. For Unix, read, open and close brackets, reads a file. System calls for device management. It takes several resources to execute a process which the OS grants if available. These resources are similar to the devices. Some of them are abstract and some are physical. For example, read console mode, open and close brackets, reads keyboard input from a console's input buffer. System calls for information management. Few system calls help to transfer the information between the operating system and the user program. The operating system also maintains the information on all its processes and provides the system call to provide this information. For example, set timer, open and close brackets, creates a timer with the specific timed out value. System calls for directory management. Some of the system calls for directory management are as follows. mkdir, name, mode, creates a new directory. rmdir, name, removes an empty directory. Miscellaneous system calls. Some of the miscellaneous system calls are as follows. chdr, dir name, changes the working directory. Kill, PID, signal, sends a signal to a process. Let us now summarize. A system call is a process in which a computer program asks for a service from the kernel of the operating system on which the execution takes place. Thank you for watching.